Giving your best friend a massage because he's worth it for sure. Why do they look alike? Oh, because they're besties. Sweeter than candy is these two buddies.
He's so calm. I'm so He's so calm.
He's so calm. Oh, that's a sweet boo.
Wish this moment can stop passing by. When you have to grow up caring for your brothers too early. To them, every day is a fun play day. Finally, parents know which important lessons to teach first. Surprise! Your puppy is a qualified nanny. They look like they haven't met for a while, that they can't contain themselves.
Gente, eu não aguento mais os dois. É o tempo inteiro assim. Zara, solta o cabelo dele, Zara. Psst, não. Senta, Zara, senta.
Best award for the cutest couples on the internet must go to them. No one can defeat this level of cuteness. Mum can feel at ease when her toddler has a professional guard around working enthusiastically.
What do you want him to do?
Have to share the new toy with your sibling. Not sure if Dad's ready to take on this responsibility at home with a triplet asking for his food, although they aren't hungry at all.
Go back.
When your brother has a piece of clothing that you want so bad. Nanny who's paid by treats, many advantages and zero disadvantages. One way to ease your mind and racing thoughts is looking at them. How cool you are when you have a loyal bestie when you're only 6 months old. Ah, these pure souls are here to heal us in a very subtle way. The person who's willing to watch over you no matter what.
Ay.
It looks like they're very helpful, but nothing's progressing because of the short hands and legs there. He likes doing anything if it's with his beloved one, and in fact, this is his first love.
Where is it?
Oh, woo! The best time of the night. Playtime with your little shepherd.
Yay, boy!
The little toe beans are doing his best job to make his little master busy and fun.
Oh, that's so nice. Did you get a kiss?
We all see it coming. Tea parties and sleepovers. Yeah, I know.
Is that your baby, Ella? Yeah, is that your baby? Yeah, are you happy?
Sometimes love comes slowly, but worth the time waiting. Teething is acceptable, but biting furniture? No, no. When they're together, the world lightened up a little brighter. May this love reach us in every corner of this world. Let the big brother instruct her how to play correctly, so in the future, she can play well. A person we'd like to have besides is a furry buddy. Clearly, she can't skip any moments with her furry best friend. Boxer dogs are just checking in the parcel's his or not.
You know how much I love you.
Love comes in the form of a girl and her furry guard. He must be a very considerate friend to have. Winters aren't scary if you buy this type of thick blanket. The little girl's trying to make it warmer for her buddy. They're having their sleeping party on Monday, though. He surely accepts her presence as part of the family.
Hi. Jack, how you doing?
Mum must be over the moon because their children's first meeting went so well.
Can you run?
Mum styles her children so well that they look like models on television. Dad, why is the baby not ready to be active? A true protector from day one is him. Zoomies are what he's got to make everyone's day.
Mother, that one is the father, the white one. That one is the kid. They got two kids. But the other one, look the other one there.
Oh, there's little McDonald's.
Besties sleep together. It's a long-standing rule. How to spend your time in a wise way. When your bestie is in a breaking up era, you make sure you're around. No one can replace the love of your children for her doggos.
That's the puzzle. proves it's to be too fat.
The best reward of the day is when you have the comfort to lean on. You can be certain she's happier when seeing the infant. No, Mum, I want to scooch in too. Clearly they're made for each other. It's no surprise that they can truly be themselves when they're together.
Turn him loose. Let him go run.
An example of a pure love that still exists. Look around you and you'll see. The hint is that they're furry and small.
What? That dog ain't worth shooting.
Have to admit, this looks like a trailer of a happy ending movie.
Your eyes, okay?
Little money, little, can you hear me? Little money, can you hear me? Yeah, money. No, I'm not busy. Okay, I have to go.
This is what best friends do. They take good care of you without your asking or requiring.
Good night.
Having 2 presentations tomorrow, so your bestie's doing the spell check for you.
Good job.
It's a plus to practice being big sisters with your furry bestie before becoming a real one.
Good job.
Good job. You love Daisy.
Good job, Daisy. Good job.
Good job.
I'll tell you right after that, you know that.
Good job. Happy birthday to George. Happy birthday to Georgie. Happy birthday to George. Happy birthday, George.
Woo!
Happy
birthday, George.
I love you so much. I love you.
Your BFF is waiting for you to grow up and run with them everywhere.
Good boy.
Gotta show them the love you have since you've got nothing but a heart full of love. It's cuddle time to increase your level of happiness. A treasure that any parents want to have is them, and we're here for that.
Oh, careful.
Only puppy fans can understand how important they are to you.
You remember that day when we went on a walk and you think, and you see Justin's dog? You remember that day? Oh, she said no!
She said no.
Yeah. She shake their head no like this.
Snooching in with your furry friends is a... Wonder why this furry stranger's around? He's your mum's bestie and future best friend of yours too. Just two boys are learning to love, yet they're healing many broken hearts online.
I love you. Cheeks. Say I love you.
Okay, honey, we'll protect both of you with all costs. He's trying his best to become a good nanny, to take care of his own child.
That's okay. You can pet. Okay. You go hold your hand out. Good boy, Jamie. Good boy, Jamie. Yeah, see? Hold your hand out. Good job, Violet. Good job. Good boy.
Want something sweeter than candy? Here it is. She has all her trust in him, you can tell.
Sweet.
The only boy your child can sleep next to is your furry unpaid bodyguard. I'm not a dog person, but this warms my soul. You're watching a fairy tale in real life. They're the fairy tale. An example of a long-lasting friendship that we've had for long is right here. Bet every parent loves to see them getting along. Deeply in love can make a difference on your appearance, trust me. How happy I look when I'm with my boyfriend. Nothing can compare to this feeling when you can stay rested beside your loved one.
What do you want her to do, baby? Please? You're saying please to the doggy? What do you want her to do?
Don't underestimate these little moments because they're treasures literally. Guess that mum and dad have a precious treasure. Here's one of them. Love is in the air when a dog goes with his little BFF. Doberman are serious when they show you love because they're always ready in any situation when they're with besties. They say the chance of winning the lottery's low, but look at her now. She has just won double ones.
God, he's trying to break her out.
Can I stay here? Because I'm also a child as well. Dad and Mum can stay assured as long as their oldest son's in charge. guard that we don't think we need.
Yeah, big wall. Wait. Hey, how's your day? Good? His nail is sticking out. Wait. There. Hey, Elsa? Elsa, can you please teach me how to swim? Yeah.
Hey,
Golden Retrievers are everyone's bestie, so it's fair to say her parents got her a right friend. So the dream of being a fashion designer has been aroused since then. I know, folks, you and me, we're here for this duo. We just can't get enough of them.
you say hi to Stella?
Always checking on your friend, she reminds us.
You say hi to Stella?
A hero who works in silence is a hero we can trust. We can't deny the fact that he smiles like this for 20 minutes straight because of these little furry pies. Oh well, it seems like the house isn't noisy enough, so they have to contribute some. When Dad's absent from home, so this little guy has to substitute the role. Us in another universe where money is just paper. Who's this lucky mum to give birth to one infant but ended up having two adorable ones? Next to the right one, you can sleep safely. Time flies when you're next to the right person. I bet this duo will agree if they can speak. Need an idea for a desktop background? Here it is. In the dog's world, there's only love and peace.
Look, Daddy. Look, Daddy.
Oh, that's nice. Do you love Milo? Yeah?
I just. Maloa.
You love Milo?
Yes.
He's like, please grow up quickly so that I can teach you how to play ball, my dear buddy. They're like, let's make a fantastic duo since birth. Have been meeting for the whole week, but your dog is still obsessed with your child. He's like, I've been waiting for too long to cuddle. I've been looking for the best interaction of all time. Here might be the one.
Oh, good boy! Good boy, Teddy, Good boy! Yay! Teddy, Teddy. It's working now. Teddy, it's working. Thank you, Teddy.
It's bedtime, but you remember you have a bestie that can talk to overnight.
How do you start? Yeah. How can Jonathan be stopped? Media is one way of informing the public that, hey, here's this guy, he's a danger, this is why it's a danger.
That was so cute.
Visiting your bestie's house after a while was like, if she isn't happy to see you, she's not meant for you. Thanks for watching. See ya!